In this video, I'll show you how to have your house blurred on Google Maps. For example, this one right here. Maybe you want extra added security. There is a security risk with your house being on Google Maps if other people have had thieves break in just because of Google Maps. It's really easy and simple. So find your house on Google Maps, and then all you want to do is take this yellow person, drag it, and drop it on a Google Street. Okay, so I've dropped it right here. And then all you want to do is go ahead and move this and make sure the image is facing your building or your house, right? Just go ahead and click on that. So we have marked this. So I clicked on this. Now just click on these three dots, click on report a problem, and there we go. This is the address. They'll give you an image preview, right? You can go ahead and highlight the exact part you want blurred. So I want all of this blurred. So I will keep all of this in frame. So what would you like to blur? For example, someone's face, a whole home. You can go ahead and click that. Then you toggle this one on, right? You basically explain that you are the owner. And please note, guys, this is very important. I've actually done thorough research on this. There's no way to unblur, okay? Once you blur this, it is irreversible. Even if you buy someone's property who they had previously blurred on Google Maps, you cannot unblur that, okay? And then here, report image quality. You can go ahead and ignore this. We just request blurring, right? Put in your email address right here, do the CAPTCHA. This is a requirement, and then just go ahead and submit, okay? So I'll verify this. Get these bicycle and then click on verify. There we go. Put in your email address, click on submit. It's really that easy and simple.